In today's lesson, we're going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. So these multiplications are getting a little bit more complicated. So I want to go through this so that you know how to do it. And this would apply for any digit number amounts of numbers. So once you know the pattern, it's actually pretty simple. So step 1, first we multiply this 4 by 1, then by 2, and then by 2, as shown with the arrows. So let's see. Here's the arrow. So you multiply 4 times 1. So you put that here. Then you multiply 4 times 2, which is 8. Then you multiply 4 times this 2, which is also 8. Then you go down to the next level. Okay, so step 2, multiply this 2 by 1, then by 2, then by 2. So first we do this one, and we put a 2 here. We put it right underneath where the 2 is. So make sure to line up the numbers correctly. Make sure to put a 0 at the end, which reminds you that you are multiplying by 20 and not by 2. This helps you line up the numbers correctly. So we're actually multiplying by 20 here, not by 2 on the ones. This is the tens. So now we just continue, okay? So now we multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, and then now we multiply this 2 with this 2, which is also 4. Now step 3, we multiply this 1 by 1, then by 2, then by 2. And make sure to line up the numbers correctly. So let's multiply that 1 by 1. And you put in 2 zeros at the end since we are multiplying by the hundreds place value. So similar to step 2. So now we just put 2 zeros here, right? So you multiply this one times this one and you get 1. So it lines up correctly, okay? Then you multiply this 1 by this 2, which is 2. Then you multiply this 1 by this 2, which is also 2. Then the last step is you add the numbers together. So let's add them up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. So you have to carry the 1. Here's the carry the 1. So then you add 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is 14. So now you carry the 1 here, and you put the 4 here. So now you add 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7. There's no carrying. And then finally you add this 2 with nothing else. 27404, or 27,404. And that's the end of that lesson. So don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it with a link to this video, and you could watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening, and make sure to like and subscribe.